Someone 106 Studio exclusive.
Welcome viewers, and thank you for tuning in to this show. In this series, I want us to talk about how computer science and information and communication technology are related, since them both field overlap and professionals from each area often work together, but the core focus and typical job roles differ. And also the students, those who study computer science in the same institution and those studying the ICT in the same institution, they tend to share some units, and sometimes each have different units. In this series, we are going to talk about the difference between computer science and ICT. Let's check on the computer science in terms of focus and scope. Theoretically, the computer science is primarily concerned with the theoretical foundations of computation, algorithms, and data structures. And it emphasizes on the design, the development, and the analysis of software and systems, unlike the ICT. And also, it includes the areas like the AI, the machine learning, cybersecurity, data science, and it is of more programming languages than the ICT and the computational theory. Even in terms of educational content, it emphasizes mostly on mathematical concepts and logical reasoning. And on the programming side, it uses various programming languages, and it focuses on the learning and mastering. In computer science, it includes the study of the computer architecture, the operating systems, and networks. And in career path, once you finish doing your computer science course, you can become software developer, you can become data scientist, you can be systems analyst, you can be research scientist, even cybersecurity expert, and also artificial intelligence specialists. When it comes to ICT, on the focus and the scope, it focuses more on applied technology, the practical application of the technology in various contexts, focusing on how technology can be used to manage and process information. Unlike the computer science, it also emphasizes mostly on communication technologies and systems, such as the telecommunication networks, the internet infrastructure, and the multimedia. Also, the ICT includes the aspects of technology management. There is also digital transformation and the integration of ICT in business processes, like e-commerce, that is the ICT in the business processes, then digital payments, customer tracking, where we have the customer relationship management, that one is the ICT. When it comes to educational content, the ICT focuses on how technology can be integrated into various sectors like the healthcare, education, and business. Education, like the e-learning, we have the e-learning, the use of learning management system, that is the work of the ICT. And also in the healthcare, the diagnosis, where we use the ICT, and also in the businesses. When it comes to network and systems, it studies the network configurations and also the maintenance of the IT systems, and ensuring the reliable communication systems. And it emphasizes on user experience information systems and the impact of the technology on society. That's the work of the ICT. And if a student finishes, or if a person has a certificate in ICT, you can become an IT manager, you can become a network administrator, ICT consultant. People will be consulting you on various aspects concerning the technology. You can be a system analyst. You can see the system analyst has been shared also in the computer science. You can become a system analyst. You can become a telecommunication specialist and also a business analyst. And in summary, we can say that the computer science is more theoretical and involves in-depth knowledge of how computers work internally and how software is developed. And it is of more about creating new technologies. That is in computer science. You create more new and more technologies. But with ICT, it's more practical. When it comes to networking, you do it practically as an ICT person. When it comes to telecommunication, it is the work of the ICT person to do it. When it comes to troubleshooting of computers, that is the work of the ICT specialist to do all those things about troubleshooting the computers. About networking, that is the work of the ICT. And it focuses on the application of existing technologies to solve real-world problems. ICT uses the existing technology so that it can help in problem solving in the real world and improve communication. And it is more about using technology effectively in various industries. The use of management systems in organizations, that is the ICT. In organizations so that the communication and there is collaboration. And also in organization we have the ICT help desk. And those people are mostly the ICT people. When a staff or an employee has a problem in using the computer, in using something comes up with the computer, that is the work of the ICT technicians who comes in and tries to solve that problem. And also the use of this system, the ICT ensures that there is flow of information and communication in organizations. In every department, there is communication of information which flows well in an organization. And also, in businesses, e-commerce, there is buying and selling things online, that's ICT. And also advertisement, marketing of the products of these businesses. Even in digital payment, there is e-PayPal, the digital payment, that's the ICT. And also customer tracking information. It may be in the supermarket, in organization, tracking information about the patients, that is in healthcare, that is the ICT. And also you have seen the most hospitals nowadays, you just go feed something or in the bank. Then you sit down with your ticket and wait to be called your number, moving to the next station. Next station in healthcare, you have called, you move to the various departments depending with your sickness. That is the ICT playing its role there. But when it comes to more programming, the more languages, that is the computer scientist. More of the programming and the procedures, which are the algorithms, that is in computer science. They use the programming language, the Java, the Pythons, the Kotlin, that is the computer scientists people. Thank you, my viewers. Thank you, listeners, for joining me in this show, and welcome again. dear listeners, I've been your host, Faith Mukila, data analyst. Thank you.